certain, nobody ever understand your grind without particularly knowing what motivates you, what pushes you, what drives you, your story. No one will be interested in your success of overcoming without knowing the behind the scenes. On yesterday, we preached from a topic of today's show, Lucky Day, and we dealt with the story of Zacchaeus and how he was determined and desperate to see Jesus. He went to extreme measures of going ahead of the crowd, climbing up that sycamore tree just to get a glance at a man named Jesus, just to get a glance at someone that is empowering, someone that's a healer, someone that's a deliverer, someone that gave sight to the blind, was able to give the activities of the lame limbs, activities to make the blind see. Someone that fed 5,000, 4,000, someone that was able to influence the lives of individuals that were less than, labeled as less than to the society. And so when we think about this story, how he embraced and invited and welcomed himself into the home of Zacchaeus and delivered and set him free. He called him by his name. He didn't call him by the things that he was known by. He didn't call him a prostitute. He didn't call him a drunk. He didn't call him a deadbeat dad. He didn't call him any of the things that everyone in the city knew him by. Today, I want you to be encouraged that regardless of what anyone thinks about you, regardless of what anybody has said about you, go ahead and climb up in that tree. Make the sacrifice to go see and witness and get a glance of a man named Jesus.